Hey you guys, there's nothing I love more than a cup of hot cocoa. So, to draw your very own, you'll need a black marker, glue, and then I took some cotton balls and kind of tore them up for the steam. You'll also need markers and crayons. Let's get started. The first thing is to draw an oval in the middle of your paper, right? So that's like a circle that's been squished on the sides. I'm drawing it nice and big so I fill my space. Now I'm going to come in on the sides, and you can either go straight down or you can curve in, just depending on what you want your cup to look like. Starting at the side, and I'm going to draw my cup. Now I'm going to add something on the bottom for it to sit on. If you drew a straight down cup, yours would just be a line, but mine was round, so I needed something flat. I'm adding a handle, and after the handle, using either a ruler or just your lines, you can make these lines freestyle, draw your background. So now our cup is sitting on something instead of just floating in the air. I'm going to add a plate or like a saucer for my cup, just so I have something extra to decorate. And now I'm going to begin adding some details to my cup of hot cocoa, starting with the rim of the plate. When you have your outline for your mug, it's time to start adding patterns to your background. I'm going to start with curved lines, and then I'm just going to go from there. And for me, more is more is more, meaning we want to add lots of patterns, lots of ideas to our cup of hot cocoa. That's going to really make it interesting. You can see what I'm doing and take inspiration, but I really want you to design your own hot cocoa. I should not see the exact same patterns that I'm doing on mine, because I want to see what you can create. So have fun, take your time. You will definitely need to pause this video, and that's okay. Be sure to do that. Have fun! Time to color. I'm going to use markers and crayons, and I'm going to fill my entire page with lots of color. All right, make sure you take your time and finish coloring before moving on to the next step. The final step to get your steaming hot cup of cocoa is to take some glue and add it along the top part of your mug. Think about how steam rises from a hot cup of cocoa. Then, using small pieces of the cotton from your cotton ball, begin putting them in place so that it looks like steam is rising. There you have it, a delicious hot cup of hot cocoa.